Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. Today we are going to start a new poem, The Old Brown House. Old. Please concentrate on the word old because the poem is all about this word. It is a poem about a brown horse who is too old now, who could not even ride by himself properly. So he was remembering his old good days during this poem, and what we are getting through this poem that जब इंसान बूढ़ा या बड़ा हो जाता है तो उसको पुराने दिन जो हैं वो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, राइट? W.F. Holmes is the poet of this poem. Now let's start the poem. The old brown horse looks over the fence in a very sort of way. He seems to be saying to all who pass, "Well, folks, I have had my day." In simply watching the world go by and nobody seems to mind, they are dashing past in their motor cars, horse who is lame and half blind. So in these lines, what he want to say, one horse is standing near the fence. He is standing near the fence, in his stable, and asking and remembering his old day and watching the world go by. और वो तमाम जो उनके पास आ जा रहे हैं उनको ये देख रहा है, ठीक है? उनको देखता है अपने आसपास जो लोग जाते हैं, the persons who are passing, the things which are passing by him. Nobody seems to mind. कोई इसकी तरफ मुतवज्जो नहीं है. और they are dashing past in their motor cars. What they are using now? His owners leave to ride on him. They are using motor cars now. Horse who is lame and half blind, because he is unable to walk now. Lame means unable to walk and half blind, and he even could not see properly. Fine? I have had my day means he spent his good days. He spent his good days. Now he is in his old age and recalling his good old days. The old brown horse has a shaggy coat, but once he was young and trim, and he used to trot through the woods and lanes with the man who was fond of him, but his master rides in a motor car, and it makes him feel quite sad when he thinks of the days that used to be and of all the times they had. The old brown horse has a shaggy coat. Shaggy means long hair coat on his neck. ठीक है? Brown horse के neck पे ये shaggy coat था. Once he was young and trim. जब वो young and fresh था. He used to trot. Trot means running fast through the woods and lanes. The forest. He could run very fast even through woods and the plains. The man who was fond of him was his master. ठीक है? उसके जो मदर थी, उसके जो ऑनर थे, सॉरी नॉट मदर, उसके जो ऑनर थे वो fond of him. He was keen to ride on him, but now he is using a motor car which make him so sad. To whom Yes, to Old Brown House because he loves his master a lot, but he left to ride on him. Fine. So then he thinks of the days there used to be. Sorry. And of all the times they had. So now what he is doing, he is standing near the fence and just recalling his old days. Sometimes a friendly soul will stop near the fence where the tired old head rest wearily on the topmost bar, and a friendly word is said. Then the old brown horse gives a little sigh as he feels the kindly touch of a hand on his mane or his shaggy coat, and he does not mind so much. Sometimes somebody come to him and stand near the fence and put his hand on his shaggy coat. It makes him some relaxed. ठीक है, जब rest wearily on the topmost bar, wearily means extremely tiredness, बहुत ज़्यादा थका हुआ जब होता है तो वो फिर उस friendly words को और feelings को feel करता है. ठीक है. In the old brown horse gives a little sigh, और फिर उसके he gives a sad sound. He feels the kindly touch when he feels the hand of that kind man. So if you pass by the field one day, just stop for a word or two with the old brown horse who was once as young and as full of life as you. He will love the touch of your soft young hand, and I know he will seem to say, "Oh, thank you, friend, for the kindly thought for a horse who has had his day." Actually, now the poet gives you a piece of advice that whenever you are going to pass some when you are going to pass by a old horse, you must give us time to him. You must give a soft touch to him. It makes him some relax, or he will able to feel your love, which make him which make his breath easy. Actually, what the poet want to say? These lines are the main theme of the poem, that when we are young, when we are energetic, we forget our old ones. हम अपने बड़ों को, हम अपने बूढ़ों को, हम अपने प्यारों को भूल जाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. We should give them some time. हमें हमारे time, they need our time, they need our love, they need our affection. Fine. So this is actually the lesson you are getting by this poem, that if you are young, if you are energetic, that is good, but don't forget the old ones, because one day will come when you are old and you need the time of others, and you need the time of you need the love of others. Then so do good and have good. I think it is clear to you. Now what you have to do, you have to do these words meaning: had my day, main, topmost bar, weary, lame, unable to walk, shaggy, long hair, trim, fresh, wearily, extremely tiredness. Fine. These words you have to copy on your English 8 notebook. Is it clear? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.